Hello friends, welcome to 17th Bricks Android tutorial. In this tutorial we will write our final code to complete our converter. So in this project we have created on click method using implement action listener. Implement on click action listener. As we have created these three objects inside this method and we want to use in this method, we need to declare all two methods outside this. We need to create these two objects, or we need to define these two objects outside method so that it will be accessible in other methods also. Okay, so now these two objects will be accessible inside other method also. So here also we can type all these things. So as we want to create the converter which will convert text into edit text and it will display that converted number into text view. So what I will do, I will read the number from edit text into, I can write cm value equals to e1 dot get text e1 dot get text, and we need to convert it into double. So double double dot value of this. So this value of function will convert string into double. So this is currently not a string, so I need to convert it to string. Okay, so I am converting e1. I am converting. I am getting text from e1, and then I am converting into string. Then I am converting into double. So this need to be double. Okay, so now I have a value of double in value of this that box text is edit text in this cm value. Now we can simply convert it into some other number double double. I can write inch value equals to cm value divided by 2.54. If you will divide a number by 2.54, it will get converted from centimeter to inch value. Now our final statement should be to print inch value into our text view. So I will write t1 dot set text, and inside this I can write inchv inch value. So it will say that this method is not for double, so I will again use dot to string inch value dot. So it's not converting it into a string, so we have different ways to convert it into a string. Here we can write inch value equals. Okay, so now it will print inch value in t1. So now we have finished our code. So in next tutorial we would like to run this code and see if it's working fine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. We will run it in next tutorial. Thank you.